Hello, good morning, everyone. How we are doing today? So we're back on gold, and what do we have here this minute? So today we have this retest of this triangle. Okay, there's a possibility of the market actually retesting this area, and we've seen it actually retested twice. But before I talked about that, let me quickly give you an update on my trade. Okay, I opened a short trade somewhere around here. I think around here. Yeah, and it went down, touched this area. I was actually targeting here, funny me, and the market went up and then closed me out this morning. Okay, that was very crazy. Okay, and the reason why I said it's crazy is because it was a mistake kind of trade. Okay, it was an error trade. I shouldn't have been selling right here. And when the market came back to this area, it's the very good place to take at least a partial close and adjusted TP. But I left it to run because partial close is actually not my kind of thing. But and right now I learned the hard way, so it's fine. Now let's get right into business. So secondly, we have this bearish trend line that seems to be forming up nicely. However, this also has some contending levels that it needs to beat if we're going to see a break of this trend line. Meaning we have to see something like this, okay, a break and probably a pullback to retest this zone, and then we wait for a move to the upside. This I will look to buy, okay, because we can also see a very decent bullish trend forming up nicely. Okay, so that is number one plan on good for me. The second plan is we might end up seeing the continuation of this range. Okay, meaning that this whole big fat range on a daily bands on gold, okay, we might end up seeing the continuation. And let me quickly take a dive to show you how far the range has been, okay, or how long the range has been. So you can see we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here. So we have two resistance, all right, and then we have support. It's more like the same thing anyways, and we have another support right here. So we have more like 2.5 support basically. So let's say 3 supports. Okay, so we have 2 resistance, 3 support. This is a what? This is an obvious range. Okay, it is a verified and valid range. So now what do we do with this? These are the 4-hour bands, and makes more sense to look for buy trade. However, this is a trend line. This is also a bearish trend line that is very strong. And why is it strong? Because it's been tested more than 2 times. 1, 2, and currently it's been retested right there. All right. So the only way and the reason why I went back to and I was able to arrive at my entry plan earlier is because we've got to see a break. There's a decent resistance here. Okay, there's a decent resistance here, right here. So and the market just broke above it, which is fine. Okay, I guess the market is just gone in to see if they can retest or break this trend line. So I'm going to take a buy. I've explained earlier, buy, all right, pullback, continuation, right. And then secondly, we could see push the downside and then sell. So this sell, another way, is not something I would trade, because anything inside this zone, I'm not interested. Okay, I would rather look for this buy trade, because overall I'm still bullish on gold. Okay, and everyone should. All right, but this short trade seems very vague and it's too early, in my own opinion. Right, in my own personal opinion, it's too early. So I will be more inclined to take a buy than to take a sell. So we could see the continuation of this range, of this short-term range. Let me draw that again. Okay, of this short-term range, meaning that we might see the market, as I can see, went up, down, up. You can see it come back down, up again, down. Right, that this is more like a 30-minute range. Okay, which is fine, so to speak. So this could play out and it could continue to run, which I won't really put more attention to. Okay, but right here I'll be looking to buy. The same thing I will be looking for on silver. Okay, this is the exact same plan on silver. So I would rather take a silver trade than even taking the gold trade. But as the case may be, you're gonna see the updates. I'm gonna update everyone. I'm gonna release another video maybe tomorrow, which is gonna be Friday, and then we see how this all plays out. Okay, so the trade I actually lost on this trade is quite unfortunate, but it's a lesson for me, and I've learned my lesson. I'm looking forward to the next one. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. Have a fabulous day. Bye for now.